Hey everybody, this is Chris from Katana. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Katana's multi-site manufacturing feature. This feature is intended for businesses that do a lot of their manufacturing outside of their own workshop, especially companies that struggle with the ability to track raw materials that get sent to another location, consumed at that location, even the finished goods that become available when their manufacturing is completed at additional locations. This could really serve as an integral part for any manufacturing business's supply chain management to help you be able to stay on top of your inventory wherever it may be flowing in and out of. So to get started, I have an example, an instance of Katana where I am a skateboard manufacturer, but I make products in-house. However, for some products, I actually outsource the manufacturing for them. So inside of Katana, you can log into your account and you'll find the locations tab here. And on this page, you can actually add an additional location. Let's go ahead and call this a skateboard manufacturer and confirm. And you'll see a couple of checkboxes pop up here for sell, make, and buy. Now each of these checkboxes means something different. If you have the checkbox for buy turned on, it means that you can generate a purchase order to send materials directly to that location. If you have make checkbox turned on, it will allow you to produce a manufacturing order at that location. And if you have sell turned on, then it allows you to fulfill your product commitments from that location to a sales order. And each of these locations will become available on the different sections here in Katana between the sell, make, and buy screens. So now that we've got that set up, let's go ahead and take a look at our sales orders right now. We've had one of our skate shops place an order with us for a product that we currently don't have in stock. So if we go into our stock page and take a look and see what's missing, you'll notice here that we're missing 10 pieces of this product, which is currently committed to that sales order, this Inner Rhythm skate shop. Now this particular product I don't actually make in my workshop. Instead, I actually just manufacture it with an outsourced partner. So I'm going to go ahead and generate a manufacturing order on the make button there and open up the order. So this particular product, I actually need to order about 100 units at a time instead of 10, so we'll change this to 100. Now you'll see the manufacturing location option here from a drop-down, which I can select to our skateboard manufacturer. And what this is actually going to do is it's going to take that manufacturing order and place it on the manufacturing queue from my make screen for the manufacturer's location. So now that this has been made, we'll go ahead and exit out. And you'll see that here in the make page, I have my main location, and I can toggle to my skateboard manufacturer where you'll see this particular manufacturing order inside of the queue at that location. The same can also be seen here on the stock page, where I can toggle between my skateboard manufacturer and my main location. And you'll see now that I have 100 pieces expected to arrive from a manufacturing order. So now that I have this manufacturing order currently open at my manufacturing partner's location, this is also going to generate the commitments that I need for the materials in order to make those products. So especially companies that generate the POs and send their materials to their outsourced partner's location, this is where this comes in really handy. So I'll go to my materials page and see what's missing here. Looks like I have 800, 720 units of these different items. Let's go ahead and buy those. And let's go ahead and add those missing items to this same purchase order. Now you'll see that this is going to indicate that it's going to ship to my skateboard manufacturer. So I'll go ahead and create that order and I'll open it up. And so for instance, if I have an account manager at my outsourced partner's location, they might contact me and say, hey, we received your PO number 1 from your supplier Hardware Express. Just want to let you know that it has been received. And so you can simply take that phone call after talking to your account manager and mark it as received. Maybe you receive an email or whoever is handling that for you. So the PO has been received at that location and you're now good to go. All of the materials are now in stock. When we check out our manufacturing order page, you'll see manufacturing order number 2. Ingredients are now available and production can start. Your account manager might say, hey, we've started production, and then they'll let you know when it's ready. You can either mark it to a work in progress or mark it as done. Now what will happen at that skateboard manufacturer's location is all of those products that have been made are now in stock, and you can generate a stock transfer to bring them back to your main warehouse before fulfillment. So to create a stock transfer, just click on this plus checkbox here, generate stock transfer. Pick the location, which would be your skateboard manufacturer where you're sending the product from, and you'll bring it back to your main workshop. Go in here and type in your product name and select the quantity you wish to receive. And then this stock transfer has been generated, and those products are now available at your warehouse. And you'll see that you have the extra pieces here as well. And you can immediately go into your sales order screen, identify that your sales items are in stock, and then immediately deliver it. So that about sums up a general workflow how subcontract manufacturers could benefit from using Katana. If you have any questions about this, you can always drop us a message here in the chat box below, or send us an email to support@katanamrp.com. That's it for now. Have a great day and happy manufacturing.